What is up, guys? Good morning. Hello, how are you? We're here in Kauai, another beautiful day here in Kauai. We just killed ourselves at a workout this morning. So Memorial Day in the CrossFit community, there's a special workout. It's called a Murph, and what it is a mile run, 100 pull-ups, 200 push-ups, 300 squats, and then another mile run. So it took me about an hour to complete it, and it was brutal. So now it's like 11 o'clock, kind of relaxed, chilled, had an acai bowl, had some coffee, because coffee's good, and the rest of the day is spent going and exploring a hidden waterfall. So we're taking a kayak, we're kayaking up a river, we put the kayaks on the side of the banks, I don't know where we're putting them, and then we hike a half hour to this waterfall that we can have lunch at, we can swim at, all this stuff. It's gonna be super cool. Guys, this is awesome. There's so many adventure activities here in Kauai, we had no idea. We basically showed up, no plans whatsoever. Guys, this is a crazy week. Rachel is hurting from the CrossFit though. All right, so we gotta drive up the coast. We're going like 40 minutes away, grab some lunch, and head off on some kayaks. Yes, we haven't done kayaking since Thailand, so this is gonna be so cool. We just got here, we're getting ready, getting set up, about to go on the river. They provided us with a nice dry sack for all my camera gear. It's always a good bonus, right? Got that. Rachel ripped up her hands at CrossFit this morning, so she's probably gonna make me paddle most of the way.
I can't even.
Kayak journey is a 2-mile upriver. Rachel's holding the camera right now.
My arms are on fire.
Because her arms hurt.
But this is worse.
Her hands hurt. Apparently holding the camera's worse. But basically we just go up this river.
Basically you're taking us into a tree.
Not taking us into a tree. All right, so we just went through the jungle. The one area was super packed with boats, so we actually took another route, which was through the trees, winding. Crazy, and we had to like hop over a tree. This is the kind of adventure stuff we love doing. Definitely could have done this on our own without a tour guide though. Could have just rented a kayak, but still, it's a cool experience. Now we have a 2-mile walk through the jungle to a waterfall that's only accessible by this trail.
I'll take it for the team. Sure? Oh, you're totally fine. Okay. Mud wrestling.
Okay, so this path is just super muddy and super full of bugs. I've gotten eaten alive, and it's so bad. I hate getting eaten by mosquitoes. I've slapped a few on me, and the blood squirts. It's really gross. It doesn't help that our guide is kind of slow and kind of just like taking our time. It's not one of the best guides we've had. Just kind of an airhead, unfortunately. So me and Rachel took off. We were walking ahead, but we are No, I'm trying to get somewhere without bugs. Yeah. What's up, chicken? Okay, so we just got to the waterfall, having lunch. Look at this. How crazy is that? Massive waterfall. So cool, we're like the only ones here at the massive waterfall. How rad is that? I think we're the last tour group because everyone just left and it's just us and that guy. Rachel's saying hello. Now we have to hike back and then kayak back. All right, it's time we head out. There seems to be like a ton of chickens just hanging out right here. They must know this is the place that everyone's hanging out with food. It's so buggy out here that we have bug fans. Some bug fans. It's a native fern to here. Helps get rid of some of these, ugh, it's so bad.
So you guys just remember that part with the log.
Yep. Alright, the last part of this tour is kayaking out. The sun's starting to get low in the sky, and we're gonna start moving. You ready to start kayaking? How do those arms feel? Besides they're bit up. I mean, we got bit up. We got eaten alive. It's so peaceful out here. It's so quiet. Got back to our hotel. Pretty tired after doing that workout this morning and then going and kayaking and hiking. It's been a long day, but the sunset is another good one. It's another amazing sunset here in Kauai. But guys, I think that's it for today. We're just gonna go have dinner